Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to play Roblox on any school Chromebook. Yes, even in 2025, even it is blocked. First things first, let's check if the Roblox website is actually blocked on your school device. Just open your browser and type in Roblox. Click on the official roblox.com link and see if it loads. If it works, great. If you're all set to play, if you get a block message, don't worry. I've got a workaround that still works in 2025. Here's what you do. Open your browser and search for now.gg. This is a cloud gaming platform that lets you to play the game online without downloading anything. Click the official now.gg website. Once you're there, type Roblox in the search bar. You should see Roblox pop up. Click it, wait for a few seconds for the ad to finish, and boom, Roblox launches right in your browser. From here, just sign in your create an account and ready to play right from your school Chromebook. And the best part, no downloads, no installations, just pure Roblox fun, even on lockdown school computers. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech hacks. I'll catch you in the next one.